Welcome back. In this video, we shall talk about the array types in TypeScript. But we have different methods of representing arrays in TypeScript. The first is, let's say, let my array with a value of number, and you put in the square brackets there, be set to passing different numbers. Just like that. This will ensure that the values passed into the array block here are only of the number variable type. You cannot pass in a string here. So let's try to pass in a string here by saying this. As you can see, we have an error coming up already. Type string is not assignable to type number. So let's get rid of that. But if we want an array of different variable types, we can use the tuple method to achieve that like so. Let's get rid of this. Let's say let's my array, let's say string, let's say number, and let's say boolean. Set to, here we pass in the values respectively. So say this is 1, and we're passing the number of 67, passing a boolean of true. This will pass in the values to the types respectively. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.